Crafting an effective social media strategy. A social media strategy outlines your plan for creating, sharing, and interacting with content on social media to achieve different goals, like increasing awareness or developing brand recognition. Social media can act as a potent tool for.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Enabling interaction with your target audience, but its effective use is crucial. This thus calls for the need for a social media strategic plan, hence not just for getting in touch with the rest of the competitors but for a significant effect in the fast world of social media marketing. This also involves everything from expectations to planning, evaluation, and implementation. A successful strategy in the ever-changing industry involves providing interesting and informative content that attracts clients and optimizes research engines. Businesses can be noticed through clear objectives, thoughtfully created posts, and proper distribution through ideal channels. By focusing on these essential aspects, businesses can make a significant impact on social media marketing. Crafting a social media strategy in 5 steps. In today's digital landscape, social media presents a powerful opportunity to connect with your target audience and drive business growth. This guide outlines a 5-step framework for crafting a data-driven social media marketing strategy, empowering you to achieve measurable results and maximize your return on investment (ROI). Understand your target audience. This is the most critical factor in targeted advertising that could help address your particular need. Carry out thorough research about the demographics, which will include age, gender, occupation, income, hobbies, and interests, to structure communication that will remain involved. Monitor and analyze. The business has to monitor and analyze its performance on social media. Use the analytics tools built into those social media platforms to measure the traffic and following. Set goals for different metrics and keep scorecards of work. Choose the right platforms. You can manage to reach your customer base through social channels. The use of Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and LinkedIn has rampantly reached every person, considering all types of users of all ages, incomes, and education levels. Among Americans, Facebook, the oldest social media site, is used by nearly 8 in 10. Set measurable goals. A proper social media strategy has to demonstrate clear, smart objectives that run along with the call to increase brand awareness, website traffic, sales leads, and conversions, among other callings such as intensification of customer engagement and sales support, among others. These metrics bring out tangible numbers. Make a plan for customer service. The 2023 report shows that 1 in 5 social media users has attempted to contact a brand for customer support in the past 3 months on social media. To effectively manage customer support, there has to be content that readers fall in love with, some of which include infographics, long articles, content that gives people joy in life, and images to share.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprint Seal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.